Thanks again for letting me borrow your toothbrush.
Anytime. Did you do the homework? Jinx, knock on wood.
Shoot! I can't believe we just jinxed.
Hurry, Billie Jean. You have to knock on wood before the time runs out.
Yeah, I know. I just don't see anything made of wood.
Hang on, I might have a pencil.
Jess, hurry. The timer's running out.
I don't have one.
No, but that means... Sebastian?
Here.
Jess?
Here.
Billie Jean?
She's no longer with us. Jinx,
Jinx,
knock on wood.
Huh, I was first. You have to knock on wood.
No, I said it before you.
No, I said it before you. You're jinxed.
I am not. And if I knock on wood and I'm not jinxed, I'll die.
I guess we're about to find out which one of you is actually jinxed.
I knew I wasn't jinxed.
Can we get the body pickup patrol?
Hey, Mom. Hey, sis.
How was your day, sweetie?
Not good. Billie and I jinxed today, and she didn't knock on wood in time.
I always liked her. Jinx, knock on wood. Oops, you got me, sweetie.
Mom, knock on wood.
Yeah, Mom, don't forget. Mommy, hurry. The time's running out. I'm fine.
That's not funny. I can't believe I overslept. I'm gonna be so late for school. Excuse me.
Jinx, knock on wood.
Shoot, I do not have time for this. There. What? Why didn't it work?
Because the floor's made of laminate. You have to knock on real wood.
Out of my way. There.
Jessica, please tell me you have a good reason for disrupting the class.
I do. If I didn't interrupt, I would have died.
Okay, well, just go sit down, please.
Did I miss anything important?
School-wise, not at all.
Gossip-wise?
Sebastian jinxed Emma and she didn't make it.
No shot.
Oh, it gets worse. Then Jason started bawling his eyes out. Apparently, Emma and Jason were having a secret affair.
Emma was a little devil.
Girls, quiet down. Does anyone know the answer to number 67?
4927.
Jinx, knock on. That is correct.
Why is there a countdown?
Jess, Anna jinxed you.
No, she didn't.
Yes, I did. I'm pretty sure she did.
I didn't hear you.
I said it. I swear. Jess, come on, knock on wood.
Is this some kind of sick joke? Because you both know if I knock on wood when I'm not jinxed, I die.
I would not joke about this. Jess, we're being for real. Come on. You're safe.
You weren't lying.
I told you. I would never lie. I've only lied about killing my neighbor. Please don't tell anyone.
Okay, Anna. That's really frickin' sus. Hey, sis.
Hey,
How was your day? Jinx!
Darn it.
Sis, get out of the car right now. Go knock on wood. Run, sissy, run!
I'm running. Don't worry. I found some
Wait,
wood.
sis, that's not...
Next.
Excuse me, do you guys sell blocks of wood?
Someone trying to beat the system?
No, but I lost someone really special to me today because there wasn't any wood nearby. I can't have that happen again.
I'm sorry to hear that, sweetie pie, but we've been sold out of wood for years.
Thanks anyway.
Miss, you didn't hear this from me, but you might be able to find a wood keychain at this address.
What is this?
The address to the woman who sells keychains out of her basement. You might be able to get one.
You have to stop giving these to people. Who gave you these?
I got these cards from the woman herself. I don't understand why you're freaking out, ma'am. What's the problem? Where have you been, young lady?
Mom, I need to tell you something, and you're not going to like it.
I already know your sister died in the Jinx game. The body patrol called me.
I wish it was just that. But it's not.
Then what is it? It's okay, sweetie. You can tell me.
Dad's out of jail.
What? How do you know? Did he come to your school? Did he hurt you?
No, but I was at the store today, and she gave me one of these.
So he's out of jail and he's already making false wood keychains? This is the same address he did it at before.
Yeah, that's how I put it together.
What an idiot! He's going to get caught again, and this time they might not let him out of jail.
So you really didn't know he was out either?
Of course not, sweetie. We have to turn him in. We can't let innocent people walk around thinking that their problems are solved with a wood keychain just to find out it's not made of wood.
Mom, there's one more thing.
What is it, sweetie?
The store clerk said a female gave her these cards. This time, I don't think Dad's working alone.
You're sure she said female?
I'm positive. I was surprised too.
Well then, we know what we have to do.
Are you sure you want to call the police?
Yes. I didn't call them soon enough last time, and lots of people died.
Are you expecting anyone?
No.
I'll get it.
Jinx!
Dang it! Mom, why did you do that?
I'm sorry, sweetie, but I can't let you knock on wood.
What? Get out of my way!
No. Here,
Mom, stop!
Jess.
Stop!
Oh no.
There.
You really shouldn't have done that, sweetie.
What do you mean? Why would you try and hurt me?
Oh, sweetie, your dad's not out of jail. He's still in there. And he's gonna be in there for a long, long time.
Mom, what did you do?
It was all me. The plotting, the scheming, the fake wood keychains. I'm a genius that tricked thousands of stupid souls into buying those things. And framed your father for all of it.
And responsible for them all dying.
I knew you wouldn't be proud of me. You never appreciated what I went through to put a roof over our heads. Sure, them dying wasn't an ideal situation, but do you know how much people were paying me for those false hope keychains? More than Taylor Swift tickets.
If that's not Dad, then who's at the door?
Hopefully the mailman. I need more keychains.
Hello?
Hi.
Anna? Now's really not a good time.
I came to see you about something.
Look, if this is about you killing your neighbor, I'm not going to tell anyone. I have enough to worry about.
It isn't about that. If I was truly worried, I would have hit you with my car.
Excuse me?
And then dragged your body into a dark, dark, dark cave.
Okay, I never want to get on your bad side.
No, you really don't.
Anna, look, you really need to go.
My mom bought a fake wood keychain from your mom.
Oh, I am so sorry, Anna. Did she...
No, she did not.
Oh, thank goodness.
She was close enough to real wood to still knock in time. It was a total bummer.
Okay, so again, why are you here?
Because I wanted to know if you were aware that your mom is doing this.
Yes, but only until recently. I'm gonna handle it.
Respectfully, I think it's time people stepped in. Get her, boys.
Huh?
FBI, hands up.
What in the Hannah Montana? Anna, are you working for the FBI?
Yes, in my free time.
Well, Anna over here isn't all that innocent either. Just 5 minutes ago, she threatened to hit me with her car.
Anna speaks too quietly. We can't pick it up on the mic, but I can guarantee she didn't say that.
Well, she did.
I'm innocent until proven guilty.
Is your mom in there? All right, let's move in, one at a time.
Mom, don't say anything, okay? We'll get you a really good lawyer.
Tell me you love me, sweetie.
Of course I do.
Say it, please.
I love you. Jinx! Mom, knock on wood. Officer, make her knock on wood.
I'm fine, sweetie. Please, just let me be.
No. Mom, come on.
It's gonna be okay.
Mom!
We're about to go over everything your mom left you behind. Are you sure you're ready to do this?
Yeah. It's time.
Alrighty then. The main thing she left you was her company.
Her keychain company?
No, she never did have a license for that.
Of course.
Here, I'll let you take a look yourself. She left you this company.
Jinx Inc.? What is that?
Let's just say you call the shots now in the Jinx game.
Me?
Basically, you're in control. If you want to change the time limit, you can. How many Jinx someone has before they die, you can. Anything, really.
Oh my goodness. If she helped create the game, my mother was a terrible person.
Maybe, but she was also a creative genius.
Shut it down.
Now, miss, I know this is probably...
Shut it down.
Maybe we could discuss the pros
I
and
don't need
cons.
to discuss it.
Fine. But before you do, there is one thing you should know.